All right, well, welcome back to another video of Total Tesla. And I'm Craig, so let's just take a ride. I'm heading to Sam's again. And got some lunch hour traffic. So this little point here at the school crossing, it's a nice slowdown for that pedestrian. So there's a little raised pavement right here that it'll stop here because there's a stop sign. That's not a problem. It's the one on the other side. So let's just see what happens. Does it slow down here? Does it slow? No, it's 24. That's a pretty big. It needs to slow down. Please slow down over raised pavement near school zone crossing. Fix this, please. All right. Want to get that correction in. Yeah, so it needs to. We know it needs to slow down around school zones. We know that. It needs to see that raised pavement and adapt and fix that too. I wonder if this person's going to back up. Is it going to want me to back up? Yeah, let's see what happens here. Oh boy. He wants to back up. Here we go. I mean, come on. Why can't this person back up a little bit? Oh my God, I see an accident happening. And my car's nice enough. It's going to give the people to my right room to get out. How smart is that? And people want to make a left turn. How about that? There's no reason to go forward. All right. Very nice and smooth, human-like maneuver there. It was awesome. That's even better than 12.5.6.4. Much better on that turn. I'm in standard speed control. Going 38 and a 35. Speed limit sign's right there. I read it on the screen. So speed's good, especially during lunch hour traffic. Yeah, the stops have been fixed, no doubt. I mean, that's even better than me. I like how it slowed down a little bit too, just as I'm going through the intersection. If the light turns, you don't want to be stuck in the middle of an intersection. So it's kind of playing that game as far as knowing when to slow down. So that's nice. Also, the cars in front of me, I'm not riding them either. So it's really nice to have enough ample room if I have to make a maneuver. So that feels really good. I mean, this is great. While we are driving here, let me know if you got AI4 or AI3. What software version are you on? I did post a video, shared a video from Futuraza, Brian from Futuraza. Oh, must make it right. Here, get in the right lane. All right. Anyway, he was explaining the dilemma right now with Hardware 3 and Hardware 4, and when will Tesla figure out if they're going to move to upgrading those customers. But that's a great video. Also, my friend Douglas, I'll post a link in the description, but he has a podcast, Life with MIDI. I would definitely check it out. I believe it's number 85. He talks about the same dilemma as well. Speed's good. I mean, this is excellent. I mean, this is really good. What's the next turn I'm going to be making into the parking lot has always been where I usually have to take over. Because it's just either it's too hard of a turn, and sometimes there's been some potholes in that area, but I want to see. I think those have been covered, but I definitely want to see how it makes the turn into the Sam's parking lot. I just wanted to set a destination to go in Manchester during this lunch hour traffic. So let's take a look. Definitely see if it parks at Sam's parking lot too. So there we go. Let's see if it slows down a little bit here. It's a good slow down. Very good. Very nice. Human-like. Oh my, that's really nice. So here we go. We're back. I'd like to see where it goes. Got a speed bump. It slows down for the speed bump. That's nice. It's waiting for the car to the left here to make a move. So that's nice. It's gonna, let's see what it does. Guess he just said, okay. Does a nice job with the pedestrians. And there's a person to my left here, but doesn't decide to walk across. Just wants to stop here, right in the front door. He doesn't want to park. All right. I guess we're gonna have to take over. I thought I would find a parking spot. So, all right, let's go to another destination. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate you watching the video today. Have a great day. Thanks for watching Total Tesla. Let's regroup over here. Let's you know what? Let's just watch people pump for gas. Why is this person trying to hit me? Let's just watch. Here you go. If you're thinking about buying a Tesla, you don't have to worry about these lines at a gas station at all. You just charge every night. We should just do a timeline, see how long it takes this person to get to pumping gas. That's what we should do. What we'll do is we'll set a timer. Let's see if he leaves. Yeah, he's leaving. He didn't have any, he couldn't get gas. All right, we're gonna end the video. Buy a Tesla. This is so much easier. Less expensive. Let me know what you think. Thanks again for watching Total Tesla.